is up, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Morgan, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications to see my videos every single week. So in today's video, I was actually hoping to be sitting down for this, but my tripod will not come off my camera yet again, so we're just rolling with it. We're gonna do vlog mode style. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I take and edit my Instagram photos. I'm going off into a whole adventure. I messaged one of my friends. She has a car. We're going to drive around, find cool locations, take photos, and it's going to be a super fun time. So let's get into the video. Okay, so fit check, this is just my base layer. I have a few little things that I'm going to put in my bag to bring with me because I'm taking all of these photos today in different locations. But for my base outfit, I have a black crop top on. I have a purpley grey hoodie. I have some ripped blue jeans. I actually only have one rip in them. With a cute little heart belt. And then my shoes are just these pink Adidas shoes. They're a little bit dirty, but that's okay. They're really hard to clean. So to bring with me, I grabbed this green button-up skirt. This is from my winter outfits video. And I also have this black zip-up skirt because I feel like a black skirt is really good, and then I grabbed a white cardigan as well, just as some layers that I can change slightly because I don't want all my outfits and all my pictures to be the same, therefore I can't post them all in a row, and that's kind of problematic. Wearing sunglasses, so you know, you just put sunglasses on and hope for the best. Hi! We're not actually in town. We're at the Botanical Gardens, which is location number 1 out of I don't know how many because I don't have any other location.
Oh, I have a few locations.
There we go! This is why you need another person, also someone who can drive, because sometimes you can't just take Instagram photos in your house. I got food too. Oh, anyway, you can have some fries. Oh, fries!
Thank you.
Got water all over my hand. See, I just never know what to say. We're walking through the Botanical Gardens. Don't know where we are, but it's pretty. The one sunny day of the week.
Take a moment of silence and listen to the beautiful nature.
Forget taking Instagram photos. This is now a environmental documentary. Here is a Morgan in the wild.
Very nice.
10 out of 10.
Yay!
She takes such good photos. I have a friend who can take good photos, honestly. All her photos. So good. Blow this video up just so that I can hire her as my videographer. Taking a photo of taking a video of taking a photo of taking a video.
Got my angles. Food! More food then.
I don't think that's the answer to being tired.
Food is always.
Do you want food? Are we getting food?
Let's go up the fun route. Welcome to Wellington. This is one of Wellington's well-known roads of being crazily windy.
I got them.
Morning cheesy garlic scrolls.
We always promote
Yes.
cheesy garlic scrolls.
Yes.
Oh, my leg.
Oh, not a good spot? Okay. Nope.
What if you crash?
Don't worry, I've come down this road heaps.
Oh, is it one way?
Yeah, it's a one way.
Oh, okay. Oh my god. So location number 2, which was a lookout, really wasn't great for us. We gave up because there was nowhere to take photos. Location number 2.5, because number 2 didn't count. location number 3. We have found a car park.
Parking in a non-parking spot, but that's fine. We're just gonna shoot over here.
We're going to be standing right by the car.
Okay.
Hello, so I just got home. It's like 7 p.m. now. I'm going to edit all of those photos that we took today. So for this, I use Lightroom to edit. So I'm going to airdrop them all to my computer and I will show you the whole editing process and what I do specifically for my Instagram. So adding all the photos to my computer, I then opened up Lightroom. And for this, what I do is I have a preset saved. So I go into my preset, I go into yours, which is the ones I've saved. And the one I use is called Downtown with Love. Now this preset doesn't necessarily work for all of my photos. So I then go through and I do adjust some of the other things. I specifically went and messed with the hue because I could see that some of the colors were a little bit funny. My skirt looked green. I made it a bit more yellow tone because my Instagram at the moment has very yellow toned photos. So just to match all the rest of those photos, I decided to just up that slightly. For this particular photo, it was frustrating because I think I was trying to adjust the color of my skirt. It was really green and I don't know why I wanted it to be more black. I don't do any other editing to my photos other than filtering. Sometimes I'll use the blur tool if there's something out of place, but for the most part I really just play with every single setting, see if I can get it to the filtering that I like. The next photo is one of the beach ones. This is probably my favorite, however, because it is very blue, it does not match my Instagram theme whatsoever, but I decided to go ahead and edit it anyways. For this, I tried my same preset filter. It made it very bright, very blue, and I wasn't the biggest fan of this, so I really had to go through and adjust all of the different things. I don't think I'd post this photo to Instagram purely because it doesn't match my theme. However, it might be second or third in a reel of photos. The easiest set of photos to edit was definitely the cactus garden ones. These matched my preset perfectly, they matched my Instagram perfectly, and they didn't require any over editing. All I had to do was pop the filter on, slightly adjust the temperature and the exposure, and then send it away to my phone. Something that's not talked about enough, Instagram Reels. I feel like this is an incredibly important part of Instagram and it helps so much with growth and engagement and getting yourself out there. And bonus tip, you don't even have to do anything extra to take Reels. You don't have to take extra Reels. You can use photos you've taken for Instagram and turn them into an easy Reel. For this, all you have to do, find an audio, have a little bit of a video clip that you filmed at the exact same time as you've been taking photos. So if you have someone taking photos of you, also nicely just to take a sort of video. You can do like poses, cute, being cute, walking, anything. Then go into Instagram, go into Reels, find an audio you like, and on that, take the little video clip, select part of that, and then after that, add each additional photo in. Here's an example of one of the ones that I've done. As you can see, plays a little video clip, goes into the photos. You can also add filters, change it up, and it's just an easy way to get Instagram Reels and push yourself out there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, turn on my post notifications, follow all of my social media, which will be in the description box down below, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.